Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see the ordering management system, that is B2B ordering management system. For example, if you are having a business of FMCG like food manufacturing, bakery products manufacturing, and then are you dispatching it through your employees through the trucks, and you're dispatching to multiple shops, and if you want to manage all these kind of dispatch management of the items, and if you want to note down the return of stock through apps, then this video is a very essential one. Kindly go through the till the end. Now let us start the video. For example, now this is an app where the employee will be having their own app with the separate login details. This app will be helping them to note down how much of stock they have been dispatched to a particular shop, and also they can note down the return details of the particular item. These all details will be reflected to the administrator at the office for seeing the invoices and other details. So let us start with this video. For example, now I am having an employee with a login Shakil. Once I done, now it shows me 4 options: products, cart, reports and sales return. Now when I click on the particular product menu, it shows me the select customer. So what are the customers under this particular employee will be only listed. We can assign all these things using the admin software. We can see in the next process. I select particular customer, that is a shopkeeper. I click on OK. Now it shows me the categories and products which I'm having as a stock. So you can see here, this is stock allocated to the particular employee alone. So you can see here cheese sandwich is an item, and that particular shopkeeper is ordering for 10 item. And then chicken cheeseburger, he orders 50 items. So he has ordered 2 items. On the right hand side cart, you can see, when you click on that, it shows the summary of the orders. So it shows what is the customer detail. This is the customer detail, and the other things, cheese sandwich, burger details, everything. If he wants to edit something like that, then you can do that also. Or you can place the order by completing this particular order. When I click on this place order, if the employee is having an attached with the Bluetooth printer, automatically a print will be open. So you can see here now, automatically a pop-up comes out showing this is the invoice. So you can see here the 2 items are there and the total quantity, everything is there with the tax detail. So you can see here all the details are available in a very neat way. Now let's go to the next one, that is called sales return. And again, if the customer wants to return the old stock, he can select on that and click OK. Now I can select which item he wants to give a return. Okay, he takes a return and it goes for the stock. Now it asks for the bill number also. So if he has a bill number, he can note it down and take as OK. Now it is being automatically returned based on that. So that is also, so you can see here a sales return invoice is generated against the bill number. Okay, it's a printout copy. Now this can be taken as a printout with multiple options are there here. Okay, then next thing we can see, now each employee has the option to see the reports of his order dispatched. See, you can see here there are 2 things. Today we have done 2 options. One is for the chicken burger of Mabella and Mozon cheese sandwich. So 2 customers are there with unique number is being differentiated. So I have dispatched for 2 customers with the different items. So this is the way the employee can work on this. It is very much simple and easier way for this. If you are having any pending cart, you can see it will be there. But now we don't have any cart items. We have dispatched or orders placed, everything. Now let us see how it looks as a report in the administrator and how can we control the product details and other reports also. So now I have come inside the administrator login. So I use a username password. Once I get inside, it shows me best on orders, least on orders, total items are there, 26 products are there, total orders received, total vendors, everything. So you have the dashboard details and company, version details, group, category, everything. So you can segmentize multiple categories like catering products, petrol station product, retail shop products, everything. Category can be created. You can create employees. So these are the employees. You can change their details every time. So this is the employee. This employee, you can see here when we are creating an employee, what are the customers we are having. We can, when we tick this one, these customers will be only listed to him because he is the person who is taking orders for these customers. Okay, from using this. And the next thing we can see here is the rate type. For example, if you are having multiple rates to multiple customers, that can be also imposed in the same way. See here, I'm having 4 types of rate for 4 types of same product. Okay, now I'll just explain you in an easier way. Now I'm having vendor. Okay, when I create a vendor, that is my customer. See here, when I create a customer, what happens is I mention what cost he should be coming for. You can create n number of costing details. Okay. So you have option here to choose what kind of rate. Okay, this rate, for example, if you are in different city or based on the location or based on type of customer, high paying customer, low paying customer, or school, colleges, whatever the name you can give, it can be done, or corporate order. So you can segmentize the customers based on a group. For that group, a rate can be fixed. Now I'll show you how the rate can be fixed. See, at the product, we have created a customer. We have created what type of rate we are going to provide. Now when I just edit a product, you can see here, I'm giving multiple rates option. So for example, Anwar catering rate, then it's 500. If it is cash customer, then we can provide him a lesser cost. Then another customer, we can provide another cost. And another shell, if it's a petrol station, so I can provide another cost. So when a particular customer is coming under cash customer, when a customer is cash customer, he will see only the 450 rupees as a product rate, and the invoice also will be generated on this rate. So we are having multiple price tier structure to ease your work. If you're not having any option like this, then you can create only one rate and you can follow the same thing. Now we have completed the master settings and orders. Now we can see what are the orders we have received. Now when I click on employee and click go, you can see here order number 5511 5512 of same employee, and you can see here what are the items. So once it is done, you can click complete and you can take a printout. You can see what are the orders of that. Everything will be displayed in a clear way. And stock entry. As you know, once we have done the production, you can enter the stock details here. So these are the stock details. These are the items. Once you have done with that, you can add what is the stock. You have produced chicken burger 100, meat burger 100, or chicken this one 100, something like that. I have produced 3 items alone. And when I click add, it will be listed on the queue. Once I submit it, the stock will be added to the product itself. Once I do, now I am allocating to multiple employees. I have produced now, I have entered the stock now. Now I am allocating to the employee. You can see here, just selecting the category and selecting the employee. And as I said you, 100, 100, 100. Now I am allocating this to 25 to this employee. Okay, now I click add. Okay, now I submit it. Now my stock will be reduced to 75. I'm going to add for another employee now. So I'm going to select Kamal. Now I select the category as petrol station product. Now you see the 75 because 25 has been allocated to another employee. I am also allocating this to 25 to another this particular employee. Now when Kamal opens, he will have the stock of 25 of these items when you can see in the app. Once it's done, so these are the basic inventory management. You can see all the order request and order details, everything. So in this. And at the same time, you have all the reports like bill, what the sales it has done, what is the sales return has been done, and what are sold items. Every report completely in a chart format. You can send SMS and email option also, stock details, return details, a complete format. So every report has an option to take a printout and export to Excel. So you can download in an Excel format. And so it is a very simplest way to manage your business of dispatching the products like food items like bakery items or any kind of FMCG product to the that is the particular shopkeepers using your employee with your truck or something like that. So if you want to have a complete demo about this, and you can contact us through 9123515998 contact number, and we will be ready for you for providing your free demo. Thank you.